I'm seriously gonna need a better vlogging situation soon because holding this camera up is just not, it hurts. Guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a day. I feel like it's been a while since I've done one of these and I figured I could do an autumn one now that the seasons have changed. I feel like a lot of the foods that I've been eating has changed. I've definitely been moving into more warmer type based meals like oatmeal and soups. I've been making, if I can put it in a soup, I've been making so many different types of soups, especially too because I got sick. So after that I feel like I've been on a soup wave. It's been a big broth wave and I'm just riding it all the way probably into Christmas. Also, it's a rare occasion that I have my face on this early in the morning. I've been trying to do my workouts later on in the night and then I actually threw out my back this week. I feel like I must just be getting really old or something because I was putting on a sports bra, trying to get ready to take Bentley for a walk. The reason why I was braless was I was editing and it's just not a mood to be wearing a bra when you have to edit a video for a few hours. So anyways, I was putting a bra on. I don't know what happened, but something just kind of twigged out and after that, I walked Bentley, but the whole time I was walking him, I was like, I feel like my back's locking up. Like I felt like it was like twitching. And yeah, I threw my back out putting on a sports bra. Quite sad. I think I may have been overdoing it a little bit with my yoga stretching and just like pushing myself a little further than usual because I can tell you guys this while I make breakfast. So I feel like yoga is kind of the way that I de-stress, and not that I've been necessarily stressed in a bad way. It's been a peak season, it being Youtober and coming off the back of doing like daily videos in September. So I've been doing a lot of yoga and stuff lately. Anyway, I feel like I may have overstretched myself and then that's kind of what had already caused maybe something to be off in my back. So then when I went ahead and was putting on the sports bra, I threw my back out. I guess that's kind of what I've concluded. So today's like the first day that it isn't really bothering me. I can still feel it. It's pretty much like right underneath my shoulder blade, right where like my neck connects to my shoulder blade. It's right in there. But up until about last night, I couldn't really turn my head from side to side or look up or down. I just kind of had to stay focused. I don't know, maybe it was some subliminal messaging from the universe, who knows. So my workouts have been really light this week. I've just been kind of walking and stretching. I haven't really been running or doing any strength training, but I think I'm gonna try and get a workout in tonight. That said, I haven't been working out in the mornings, and so that's why I've been getting ready so soon. I don't know why that was the longest explanation ever. So for breakfast, I'm just gonna make myself a smoothie. Oh, or do I want oatmeal? Oh, I recently picked this up from the grocery store. It's the Red Mill hot cereal oat bran. And I'm gonna cook this up with a little bit of pumpkin pie filling that I have left over in the fridge from when I was baking, a banana, some brown sugar, and a little bit of almond milk with a touch of pumpkin spice latte. That sounds like a lot of ingredients, but the pumpkin spice latte coffee drink that I have, it's the cold brew, this stuff. It's really good, but it's like way too sweet, like way too sweet. So I just put like a pinch of this in my oatmeal, and then I put normal almond milk, and then the brown sugar and the pumpkin pie and the banana, and it just like, it all just turns into a magical pumpkin pie. It's pretty much pumpkin pie oatmeal. And then just season a little bit of this on top and you're gold. So that's gonna be my breakfast. I'm not sharing the fridge. Trying to do this with one hand is a lot harder than it looks. Ooh, your ears are getting a little pink. You think maybe you've outdone your sunbathing for the day? So I've really been wanting to force myself to get more comfortable with vlogging out in public, like holding my camera just as I do right here in the comfort of the walls of my home, and update you guys as I'm, you know, walking, going places, out and about. I feel like I always vlog at home, but I never film anything that goes on in my life outside of these walls, or at least very rarely, because I'm always so like, I guess just my social anxiety kicks in when I'm holding a 8-pound camera out in front of me talking to it. Also, nothing makes me more sad than when you need to leave your house and your dog thinks he's coming with you, but he can't. We already went for our walk, bud. Go for another one later. I'm sorry. Anyway, I'm thinking that I have quite a bit of computer work to do, so since it's gonna be like one of those 2-hour work sessions, the lighting is not. See, this is why I don't vlog outside of my walls. It's about 2 hours of computer work, so I figured to break free of this cabin fever, I would go get an almond milk latte and sit at Starbucks. A quick tip, I feel like everyone, I like, even I kind of forgot this for a while. If you're drinking your latte at Starbucks, you can get it for there, which actually cuts out on the coffee cup, so they make it in the big glass mugs, and there's something quite enjoyable about it. There's a Starbucks not too far from my house. I just don't really feel like venturing too far today because I do have quite a bit I need to come back and do as well, but I'm gonna go get an almond milk latte and do my work there. And I really should get more water in. That's what I was gonna update you guys on. I was gonna update you guys on the fact that this morning I had hot water with lemon and a coffee, but didn't film it because it was like 6 a.m. So what I'm getting at is that I've only had about 1 cup of water today, and I'm gonna need about 7 more, or we're gonna have to find 7 more pretty soon. Another YouTuber video up, another day completed. Okay, so it's going on about 1:35. I'm gonna make some lunch now. I think I'm gonna make a tofu salad. I have a bunch of veggies and stuff that I wanna try and use up before this weekend. It's Thanksgiving this weekend, so I'm gonna be in Kingston. So pretty much everything that I have in the pantry and fridge, I'm gonna try and use up pretty much before tomorrow night. So I also have some potatoes, so I think I'm gonna make tofu salad with baby potatoes on the side and see where that takes us. Okay, so I've just finished my lunch. I had tofu, I fried up some tofu, some mushrooms, made myself like a little side salad, and then I had potatoes, cucumber. I just cut up like a bunch of stuff that was in my fridge, cooked it, put it on a plate, added hummus, added salt and pepper, sriracha, some mustard, and then ate it. So it's going on 2 p.m. I'm gonna let that food digest for a bit, and then around 3 o'clock take Bentley for a walk, and then around 3:30 I'm gonna do a little workout. Because I'm still feeling a little stiff in my neck, I don't wanna push it too hard, so I think what I'm gonna do is like some light stretching here, and then just add a little bit of resistance training, but make it all lower body since my upper body is a little out of commission, and see how that works. That way I'm not like, you know, no like handstands or basically not putting any weight on my shoulders or my arms today. I'm just gonna do all booty and legs, get a burn going. I like when things like that line up because then technically, if you guys are watching and you work out at home, or even if you don't, you can do this workout anywhere. So I'll catch back up with you guys in like an hour. We'll do that, and then it'll be dinner.
Not forever, but when we're together, it feels like my spark's been left in the dark sometimes. Cause when I'm with you, it's just like an airwave, better than a band-aid. This could be love, not sure, but I'm probably right. When you're around, I can say what I wanna say. So hard to concentrate. This is all that I need and more. Perfectly safe and sure. I'll be with you always. I will stay with my common sense. Irresistible friend. Will you be with me always? Stay up all night. We finally took some weight off our shoulders, so this fight is over. Can you stay with me tonight? I don't wanna be alone, and I need you here if you want to. I know my spark's been left in the dark sometimes, but when I'm with you, it's just like an airwave, better than a band-aid. This could be love, not sure, but I'm probably right. When you're around, I can say what I wanna say. So hard to concentrate. This is all that I need and more. Perfectly safe and sure. I'll be with you always. I will stay with my common sense. Irresistible friend. Will you be with me always?
Okay, so it is currently 4:30. Usually, I mean, this is pretty late for me to be having this kind of snack. Normally I eat this around 4, but I was running a little bit more behind today. Bentley and I took a longer walk than usual, but I'm just having a piece of pumpernickel bread with raspberry jam. And then I made my protein shake. My workout was super easy, super quick, 15 minutes. And I feel like that was perfect for the amount that I wanted to kind of get some movement in without overexerting myself. And now I'm gonna drink my coffee. It tastes like kind of like chocolate coffee almond with strawberry, I guess. I ended up getting another big tub of the chocolate protein and the coffee protein from New Zest, and I've been like obsessed with it, and then adding my multivitamins into my smoothie so I don't have to swallow them in the morning. It's good. So I'm gonna munch on this and watch the latest episode of Riverdale. I also brought my laptop and my notebook down here so I can get some more YouTuber work done. And then we'll probably just chill until dinner. Yeah, right? Okay, so for dinner, I just made myself, it's kind of like a sweet potato and butternut squash stew, more than it's a soup. And then I made myself a mini apple crisp and popped it in the oven. So I'm gonna eat my stew and soup, watch Sabrina the Teenage Witch, and then have my apple crisp. It's gonna take about 20 minutes. I've never done an apple crisp like this before. I'm trying to do like a little healthy kind of like single portion. So it's literally just a cut up apple with a little bit of brown sugar, what else? Almond milk, cinnamon, and I'm pretty sure that's it. And I just wrapped it up and popped it in. Let's see if it bakes well. And in the meantime, I'm gonna eat my butternut squash / sweet potato stew.
I don't understand. Why would the Hotel 13 be angry at us?
Update. Totally did not work.
The company would have come together to save the 13, but
It's still pretty good. So now you guys have a pretty clear indication as to what I pretty much eat in a day in terms of meals and just lately what I've had stocked in my fridge and what I've been making out of it. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this what I eat in a day. These are some classic that I love going back to what I eat in a days. I love watching other people what I eat in a days. I don't know why we're all so intrigued by what each other eats, but I feel like it's just a super interesting way to see what other people or how other people, like, I don't know, live their lives and get their nutrients. And I feel like this year in particular, especially with taking such a big like jump into the health wellness and obviously sticking with the plant-based and the way that I eat, like more vegan style, I feel like making more what I eat in a day videos or Co's Kitchen videos or just food related videos, especially when they correlate with fitness, I feel like that's definitely going to be a big wave for me. So let me know if that's stuff that you guys enjoy seeing. Do you guys want me to do more like meal plan, not necessarily like meal plan where I give you guys a meal plan, but like my own meal plan in terms of when I'm trying to like for instance, if I end up going on vacation in the new year, do you guys want me to show you guys like how I eat leading up to vacation? Do you guys want me to show you just anything of the sort at all? Just basically, do you like this video is what I'm getting at. And aside from that, I'll talk to all of you guys in the next detailed video. Bye guys.